following along this journey, you know this project has been a work in progress for the last few months, and today I'm finally putting that metal roof on the lean-to. It's been a bit of a journey, and I've been dying to get to this point, but the sun's setting now, and it's cold out, but it is also the least amount of snow we've had for as long as I've been alive. Still, it's a beautiful sunny day, just a bit on the chilly side. But it hasn't been smooth sailing. When I picked up the roofing, the forklift driver left a few dents in the panels. Not ideal, but we're making it work, and I'm excited to show you how it's coming together. Let's dive in and get this roof on.
So I got both sides up. See down there. Now I just need to cut that. I'm just gonna cut that felt paper and get everything trimmed up. I don't know, I'm losing the sun fast.
The dreams are not the same.
You can see I still got the snow up there on the top, just underneath that other ridge. And I probably won't bother with it tonight, but tomorrow I'll just take my little heater. We'll get all that melted off and away from there so I can get the flashing under there. And then the drip edge and everything. That's gonna look good. All right. Like I said, I gotta work graveyards tomorrow, so I never get enough time. And then it gets dark so early. I hate this time of year, but yet it is beautiful. Look at that beautiful sunset. Last night was amazing. The sun is shining, but you wouldn't know it. As cold as it is, I guess just everywhere across the world, it sounds like it's just freezing right now. Well, certain parts. And I think it's like 2 degrees, which, yes, we've had colder weather, but it is cold. And I'm going to attempt to do a little work on this. I'm gonna go up and melt that snow and do a little work on this today. And we'll see how long I can tolerate it. Anyway.
By the shore, while you're open.
You can see it's dripping, it's working, but at the same time, it's still just cold enough that it doesn't want to completely thaw out. So I'm going to give it a little bit warmer. It's still earlier in the day, and we'll see if it'll warm up enough and try that one more time, hopefully, so we can at least get the drip edge and everything on there and see, I guess, what or how far we can make it. Like I said, it's just colder. And right now, with the times being shorter during the day, you get that few hours of somewhat decent time and weather to try to make it happen. So I've got other things I can do. So I'm gonna go work on some other stuff inside for a little bit. See if that'll warm up a little more. You can see, like I said, now it's dripping a little bit more. Hopefully it'll just keep warming up just enough to get it off there. Well, it is 1 o'clock and 21 degrees, still freezing. Feels like 10 degrees maybe. I'm gonna go up there and try to get some more of that melt because I have till about 4 or 5 o'clock.
Cannot take this anymore.
All right, I'll show you. It's quite a bit better, but still has stuff to get off. So I won't get all the metal roof done today for a few reasons. But I'll go ahead and get that drip edge started and see what we can get done on it while the sun's still somewhat warm. Oh yeah, and I used the persuader just to break up the ice and help just kind of melt it a little bit quicker. Hopefully this camera angle will work because I tried setting it up a little bit taller and the wind is now blowing, so it's made it even worse. But I've got to just tuck this up underneath my felt paper, and so I'll just start with this one and work my way and get the 2 corners. Might take a little bit longer than I thought. We're getting there. Could have brought those corners together if I would have 45 the ends of them a little bit, but it's okay. It'll have to work for this time. Cannot win with the wind and everything today, but we got to finish it, so let's hurry and get this done. When I got the metal, somebody at their lumber yard hit it with the forklift, so you can see there's a little bit of damage there, and then on these corners on every sheet. So what I did, to give you an idea, I didn't know how to really straighten it. I don't have any hand seamers, so where this edge is bent, I'm going to use some lineman pliers and try to straighten that up. But as far as the crease in this seam, I just took this board, 2x4, and I took my saw and cut the little 45s on it. And it has the same in between here. It's about 3/4 of an inch, which is about what I did all this at. It's chilly again. That's just, I know it's winter, but this weather's just so crazy. I wish it would either just snow and we'd have some good snow down here, which we'll, I'm sure, need this summer, or might as well warm up and stay warm, I guess. I don't know.
I've got all my bags packed up, ready to leave. Everybody here's waiting for something, but I'll be on my way, I'll make it there by New Year's Eve. Stop dragging your heart around, baby. Stop letting the chances slip you by. Stop sleeping.
This is supposed to be the same gray. I know that's been in the sun and everything, and I'm hoping that's the difference because it doesn't look very close. So it's from the same lumber yard and everything, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. Time will tell. At this point, I just need to get it done. But yeah, that was a pain in the ass. But I got it. Like I said, it's just so, just a couple inches of room to get up underneath there and try to get everything. I was getting good at it though. So if you ever have some bullshit project, call me. 555. No, just kidding. But seriously, I'm gonna try to line up the ribs so everything looks pretty much uniform and hope that this stuff fades fairly, like I said, so that the two colors of gray will match. We'll see how that goes, but I'm gonna hurry and get this one up, and I gotta run do some things. Hopefully I'll be back and have time before it's dark to finish and get those on. So I could take the time to go all the way through here, edit it out, cut it out, whatever. But just to, like I said, save me time, and then maybe I'll flip the camera back on towards the end there and see what we have left. Cause I got the end pieces, and then I'm gonna get another piece of gray, basically flashing, to go up and over and underneath there again. Kind of one more layer. Like I said, I probably don't need all that much underneath there, but what the hell, why not? That little extra bit, and you know, a little more overkill never hurts. It's more time consuming, I guess, but as far as preventing a problem down the road, probably. So I'm gonna do it. You're welcome.
Love you.
Stop worrying so much.
Don't fall.
Huh?
Don't fall.
Well, if I do, it happens. See you, bye.
Okay, love you.
Love you, bye. I do have one more piece. It sucks I have to waste all that, but I just got to cut, I don't know what it is, 8 or 10 inches for that strip. Then I can run those corner pieces up, and that'll be it for the roofing. It is a different color because I found these are the old screws from the other stuff, so just slightly, this stuff's slightly darker than the other, but oh well. I told them a gray. I took a picture and sent it to them. They didn't have the information of what I ordered last time, so anyway, we're close. It's, like I said, it's a little darker, but it is what it is. Who's ever been more excited to see the sun? She loves her sunbathing.
Time I got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands.
All right, that'll wrap it up for this video. I got to finish those upper ones, but I've also got to get the stuff to go up underneath that other eave of that roof. So yeah, I think that'll be it for this one. You guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing and watching the videos. I appreciate it, and until the next time, God bless.
The time I got, it is just enough to get by.